Lexboom.com is a platform that claims to be a decentralized online gaming site, offering original games and licensed slots, all while promising transparency through blockchain technology. They even say you can earn money just by playing. But the big question is it legit or just another scam? Stick around till the end, because we're about to break down some serious red flags that you need to know before even thinking about using this site. So the first thing that immediately raises suspicion is the website's claim of having over 51 million users and paying out more than $24 billion. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. The website was registered just a few months ago, on January 3rd, 2025. Yes, you heard that right. The site is just 2 months old, so how in the world could they have already built such a massive user base and processed such enormous transactions? It just doesn't add up. These exaggerated numbers seem more like a marketing ploy to attract users rather than actual, verifiable facts. What's even more concerning is that the website claims to have been in the blockchain industry since 2017. But let's be real, how can that be possible when the domain was literally just registered? This kind of false claim is a classic tactic used by scam sites to make themselves look more established. Incredible. Another red flag is that the website design and content look strangely familiar. In fact, it seems identical to other crypto scam sites that have been flagged before. It feels like someone is copy-pasting the same scam, changing the name, and launching it again under a new domain. This is a common trick that fraudsters use to stay under the radar while continuing to deceive people. If a site looks like a duplicate of past scams, that's a huge warning sign to stay away. If that wasn't enough, the site also claims to have partnerships with major brands like AFA and Red Bull, even calling itself the #1 platform in decentralized crypto. But where's the evidence? Without any proof to back up these claims, it's hard to take them seriously. It feels more like flashy marketing talk designed to impress rather than actual, legitimate partnerships. And let's talk about user reviews, or more accurately, the complete lack of them. Whether it's on their website, Trustpilot, or anywhere else online, there are no reviews to be found. Reviews are essential for giving users insights into how a platform works and whether it can be trusted. Without them, it's hard to feel confident about trying something new, especially when it already has so many red flags. Lastly, when we checked Eveninsight.com, Lexboom.com was flagged as a risky website. It has multiple red flags, including a short history, suspicious activity, and possible blocking from bots that detect scam sites. This further suggests that using this platform could be dangerous. If you want to check it out yourself, I've added the link in the description. In conclusion, Lexboom.com shows multiple red flags, including false claims, a newly registered domain, no user reviews, and a scam warning from Eveninsight. It's best to avoid this platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on important updates.